Hi guys, today we will talk about how to connect on Apple on your Reddit. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. You just go up here in this picture here and up or this image, you click, then you this is window show for you, then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here like you say, and you just click here on account settings for you, then you come to account settings here in this window, then you just click here on app and you connect with app. You click here on connect and it's going to connect with your Apple here on Reddit. So that's all you have to do to connect your Apple. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Reddit settings.